Hey, welcome to Meet Hour Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn what features you get as a moderator of Meet Hour. Before we begin, let us understand how to become a moderator of a room. You have two options. 1. Be the first to join the room. Or 2. You can ask the existing moderator to grant moderator rights to you even if you join late to the conference. Now let us know about the features you get as a moderator in Meet Hour. Feature 1. Disable audio or video of other participants in a meeting. Feature 2. Set a password to a room. Feature 3. Remove participant from a room. Feature 4. Can do recording or YouTube live stream of your conference. Feature 5. Can raise funds via Click and Pledge Connect or donor box during conference. And to know more features, please log on to meethour.io. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.